NOBL has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Escambia County in south central Alabama, southwestern Conecuh County in south central Alabama, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Interstate 65 and Highway 84, or 5 miles southwest of Evergreen, moving southwest at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Evergreen, Castleberry and Interstate 65 and Highway 84. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama, Conecuh and Escambia. This is NOAA.